welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. And for the world's best subscribers, hi guys! Hey everybody, did you all have a good weekend? I hope you all had a great weekend. First of all, I'm very, very sorry that I could not post a video yesterday, Monday, which is my usual, because work, I don't know, they didn't want me to have any fun yesterday, so I'd stay at work really late. Anyways, it's okay. It's done. Work is over. It's good. It is not Tuesday. It's all happy. I'm on YouTube. I get to see my friends. Hi guys. I missed you. I really miss you guys when I don't do videos. Okay, first off, welcome to my country kitchen. Why am I calling it a country kitchen? Because I live out in the country, like way out in the country. I had a tornado. That's how far out in the country I am. It's like real country. Yeah, it's real country. Okay, so most of you know, if you're new to my channel, then you don't know. Most of you know that this is not my forever home. This is just a home I'm living in right now with me and my family, and I'm trying to make the best of it. So, I'm not going to show you the eating area, and you can see my family room behind us. So there's a big, huge opening here, so you can see the family room behind, the family room when you wash dishes. It's really cute. This video is not going to be long. I'm just going to give you a little mini tour and show you the cute little things I did to add some character and personality just to the kitchen cabinet area, to my work area. And then I will show you the next part on another day, because I want to do a decorate with me, because I think it's going to look really cute together. We do that together. Okay, so enough of me yip yappering, because we all know I love to babble. And let's get started. So I'll show you how I decorated and what I've done to add some personality and pizzazz to this very basic builder's kitchen. I mean, very basic. Not that I'm ungrateful, because you know I'm grateful. But it's not something I would have chosen, and it will definitely not be something I have in my forever house. But it is nice for now, so I am enjoying it. I have to say I'm enjoying it. Okay, guys, let's turn the camera around and get started. We're going to start here. So the builder put this huge run of cabinets right here. And there's a big opening, like you can see the opening right here. There's a big opening that looks into the family room. So this is the part I want to show you first, and I want to show you what I did. Right here, we're going to it right now. I put my sign that I always have. Love this sign. It says, "If I'm the queen, why am I doing the dishes?" I love that. I had it by my old kitchen window. And if you can hear Mia whining in the background, it's because she has a boyfriend. She wants to go outside. Okay, so in this little corner here, ooh, maybe I adjust the lighting a little bit. Okay, there we go, that's better. So in this little corner here, I put my clock that I always have, and then that blessed sign that I bought at Hobby Lobby. And you guys seen this in the old kitchen if you're following me. I made this arrangement, nothing special, just like a little can. And then I have a wax warmer there. And then here I just got this lemon. It's actually a spoon rest, but I'm using it for my sponge because I think it's cute. And there's the sink, it's a nice sink. And then over here, I just added a little marble tray with, you know, the essentials, Miss Meyer, some hand soap, some lotion, and in that dispenser there, I put Dawn, because I like Dawn for dishes. And then I have this cute little, what is this called? Orchid. Sorry, guys. Okay, and then if you look up here on this little wall here, I just added the eat sign. Now, I had this from my old house, And I had it in my old kitchen. So now I'm
Okay,
gonna turn it on.
guys,
And here's the other view of the cabinets. I'll just show you that. I'll pan around, show you that real quick. And then I'll explain to you what I did. Okay. First things first, this refrigerator that you see here, that is my personal refrigerator. I brought it from my home. Because I had 2 refrigerators in the other house anyways. All right, let me show you up here first because I know a lot of you have seen this and I love this. I made this lantern early spring and I love the pops of yellow in it, and I just thought it would bring some color into this kitchen. I added a little chicken, or I think it might be a rooster actually. Might be a rooster on top of the refrigerator. So I made this little vignette there. I kind of adjusted the lighting. Might be a little bit better. I'm trying not to be shaky. And then this tray that I made. And you could tell the color of the cabinets are quite dark. Okay guys, in my old home, I had open cabinet, like the tops of my cabinets were open. So I had beautiful vignettes and displays up there. And now we have this bulkhead, and unfortunately all I could get up there was my little grocery sign. That's from Pier 1 way long time ago. And then I fit this blessed sign up there, and that's actually from Michael's, from their spring collection. It's really pretty actually, love the colors. And then I just added a little wreath. That's my Kirkland wreath that I got in the spring. And then okay guys, the kitchen makes a U. So beside the refrigerator, I just added my toaster and this little Ray Dunn spread, and I actually use my Ray Dunn stuff. And then here I have a canister. I know the cord looks terrible. And then here I just grouped all my cutting boards. I have some wood and marble ones, some other wood ones, and then my little pig that I just made. I love him. I love him. And then this cute little lamp, if you could see there, because it needed lighting in here, is actually from Walmart. And I propped it up on just 3 little marble pieces. And then I put like a little greenery. I know the lighting is terrible because, first of all, it's very bad lighting in this house. And then I have 2 round cutting boards on that side. And then a little blessed sign from, I got that from Dollar Tree. Yeah, probably Dollar Tree. But yeah, so I like to keep all my cutting boards together. And guys, if you notice, there's holes all in the back of the walls. Oh my God, the people that were staying here before me put so many holes in the walls. I'm gonna actually fix them. I'm gonna paint and put them up. So okay, I have my little hey y'all sign. Love that sign, so cute. I got my Ray Dunn, I guess like a crock, I guess. And it says tools, and I just put my plastic and wood ones there. And then here I have, I know the lighting is just all over the place. It's a little galvanized. That's the sign from Hobby Lobby. Let me see if I can adjust the lighting a tiny bit. Nope. It says, the Lord is my strength. I got that at Hobby Lobby. I hauled it for you guys. That little lantern is from Walmart. Absolutely love it. And my little galvanized greenery. And then I'm going to show you. So I'm considering this part here. Okay, I'm just showing you. This part here, I don't want to show you the eating area. But this long island, well, I guess it's a breakfast bar. I guess they would consider it a breakfast bar. I don't. I'm using it more of an island. Oh my God, I left the coupons on there. Well, real life, guys. Okay, I just made this little vignette. Let me take the coupons off. Ideally, what I think the builder wanted to do is have this as a breakfast bar. But I don't find that very useful at all. And you'll see why when I show you the eating area. So all I did here is I made a cute little vignette in this wicker basket. Love this basket. Have had it for forever. Love it, love it, love it. I got a little pig. I think I love pigs. You can see my little pig cutting board in the background and this little pig. So it all kind of ties together. And then the wood elements and the grays and the taupes. I think it's really cute. So I just had a little buffalo plaid towel. Nothing special, and that vignette in there. And I'll give you another look of this side. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna give you an overview of the work area. So there's that one side, and here's the other side. Oh, you can see Angela way out in the front. And I like it. It's nice. It's the dishwasher is good quality. My fridge is obviously really good quality. The stove's really nice. The fan's really good. So it's a very decent kitchen. I can't say it's not. I really like it. I think I added just enough of my personality and my personal touches to make it feel like my home. So there you go. You can see it there. It looks cute, right? It looks pretty cute to me. I mean, you know, we're making the best of it. Okay, guys, so that is the end of my video. So welcome to my little country kitchen. I think it's cute, right? Hopefully my editing skills are really good and this video turns out cute. I think it's adorable. You know, I think that you can put your personal touch on any space, be it your forever home, a rented home like mine, you know, a temporary home. I'll just make it my own. I like it. It's pretty functional. It is not what I'm used to, so I do have to say it is not what I'm used to. I'm used to a very different kind of kitchen. This is a very, very basic builder's kitchen, but I think I made it look pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna give you some tips because I kind of do this for a living. If you recently bought a home and you have a very standard builder's kitchen, there is very minimal things you can do to up your kitchen like you wouldn't believe. Change the countertops out. If you cannot change the countertops out, lighting and molding. Lighting and molding will change a kitchen drastic. If this were my forever kitchen, for example, I would have under cabinet lighting with molding. So I would put molding under the kitchen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's see if I can turn you around. Right there, right there, under these cabinets, I would put a molding and I would put under cabinet lighting. That would totally change the feel and the look of your kitchen and also make it more high end. So that is one thing you can do. So and guys, those are so inexpensive now. Home Depot sells light kits and so does Lowe's. Or you can even buy them off of Amazon. Hold on, I'm just gonna turn around this way. You can even buy them on Amazon. And you can even do puck lighting. Like you could do trim and then puck lighting. That would be so inexpensive for your kitchen. What else would I recommend? Well, a better layout, but no. In all honesty, pull out drawers. Okay, so if you've got just cabinet doors like this, and this kitchen's got a lot of cabinet doors, it just doesn't have proper organizational space. So if I were you and this was like a forever home or you were a home that you want to invest money in, I would get those those drawer organizers that pull out. So pull out drawers, you can easily add them to any cabinet. Home Depot, again, and Lowe's sells that kind of thing. So that would be an investment and a really good idea for your kitchens if you were willing to do something like that. But remember, decorating and adding your own personality truly goes a long way. Even though this is now my forever kitchen, I think I've added as much as my personality as possible to make it feel homey and welcoming for my friends and family that are gonna come visit out the country. And for me personally, I do this for me. I do this for me and my family because I love to decorate so much. Anyways, I hope you like my kitchen, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. I love you, and I'm still trying to answer comments, so please bear with me. Love you guys. See you Wednesday, God willing. Bye, guys.